Hey there, ready to switch out a habit you don't want for a behavior you really want? Let's go. First, close your eyes if you want. Think of something you do that you'd rather stop, something that bugs you or holds you back. Got that picture in your head? Great. Now, imagine that picture getting smaller. Watch it fly away, far off into the horizon, like it's vanishing into the sky. It's tiny now, almost gone. Then boom, a new picture pops in. This one shows the habit or behavior you do want. See it zooming toward you, getting brighter, bigger, and filling your whole screen. As that new image rushes in, go ahead, make a swish sound, like you're switching channels or flipping scenes in a movie. Swish, and there it is, your new habit, right in front of you. Hold on to that feeling. You've just made a change. Now take a moment. Think of the old behavior you used to have. How is it different now? Notice what's changed, how it looks, how it sounds, or how it feels. Here's what I suggest. Do this 3 or 4 more times. Each time, take a short 2-minute break before starting again. Give your mind a little reset between swishes. It helps the change stick. I suggest you do it now. If you have questions, just ask. For more information, go to my website, thehypnoticsellingmachine.com. Maybe you can imagine yourself, a few months from now, noticing how much better you feel, how much more confident and in control you are. And perhaps a year or 2 from now, you can look back to today as the moment where everything quietly began to change. Thank you for listening. And remember, visit our YouTube channel for more powerful trances and more moments like this one. Visit www.thehypnoticsellingmachine.com and our YouTube channel at youtube.com/thehypnoticsellingmachine.